Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I'll show you how my sister make macaroni and cheese for lunch. Exactly what you see on the screen. Easy mac and cheese recipe. Keep watching, don't go away, and thanks all my genuine subscribers for your support. So let's dive into it. All the ingredients for this will be at the description section down below. So first, after I bring my water to a boiling point, I loosen the macaroni and add it to the water. Then add 1 tablespoonful of salt and 2 tablespoonful of vegetable oil and allow it to cook for 20 minutes on a high flame. So that while that is aside, we melt butter on a plain pan. After melting this butter, I'll add my already freshly chopped onions. Everyone, I'm using vegetables on this mac and cheese. It's optional, you can decide not to use. My sister loves veggies. So after stirring the onions for a second, the next thing she adds is carrot. Carrot is crunchy, so add to stir for a minute, then followed by sausage and green peas. We stir this to combine for a minute and then add paprika to taste, then red chili to taste, then ginger powder to taste, some red bell pepper to taste, garlic powder to taste, and then continue to stir to combine. So we're going to fry this on a low heat for 5 minutes then and set it aside. If you're not using veggies, you don't need to go all through this, but believe me, adding veggies makes it more yummy. So I will stir this first and then set it aside. You can see what it looks like. Very tantalizing. Keep watching, don't go away, and if this is your first time in this, you're very welcome. So after I set the veggie aside, the next thing she does is to melt another butter and then add a little vegetable oil. We're using canola oil. Melt the butter on a low heat. Then next, add your cheese. Use your cheese according to the quantity of macaroni you want to make. So all the names of ingredients used in this video will be at the description box down below. Don't forget to check, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up and comment and share the video to your friends and family, everyone. So we melt this cheese on a low heat, the lowest heat. Please don't cook it, but melt the cheese. Continue to stir this until the cheese blends together with the butter. Exactly what you see her doing on the screen right now. Keep watching so you see how we make the delicious macaroni with cheese. So next, we'll follow with a cup of milk. You could use any milk of your choice, full cream, non-cream. The choice is yours depending on your taste. Okay, so after adding the cheese and then the milk, we'll continue to mix this until all the lumps of the cheese melt away. So the mac is ready. We're going to sieve out the water and set it aside and continue to stir the cheese until it blends together with the milk, until all the lumps from the cheese melt away. So please, while doing this, make sure your fire is on the lowest flame. As you can see, it is not cooking, it is now boiling. You continue to mix, stir until all lumps disappear. Hello everyone, if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome, and if you're returning, thanks for returning back, and thanks all my genuine subscribers for your wonderful support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you've watched my video up to this point, why not click the like button and press the red button and then the bell by the side to get notification whenever new videos are updated on this channel. So after melting and the cheese and the milk blends together, the next thing is to add your macaroni, the parboiled macaroni, and stir to combine. Hello everyone, if you want more cheese you can add that, but here we don't. The cheese we melted is perfectly okay for this macaroni, but if you want the macaroni to be soaked inside the chips, mix, add more milk, add more chips. Okay, so we continue to stir this, mix until it blends perfectly well with your cheese and milk. Don't forget to check out the ingredients at the description section down below. So after everything blends together, the next thing is to add the vegetable we stir fried earlier and mix to combine. The aroma of this simple mac and cheese recipe is taking over the whole kitchen, has taken over the whole kitchen. So even the sausage is optional. You can choose to add sausage to yours, or you can choose to add chicken. The choice is yours. In this very video, she likes sausage, and that is why she added sausage to it, and it is very yummy. It comes out super delicious and yummy, as you can see on the video. So don't forget to share the video and let me know at the comment section what you think about this mac and cheese recipe, everyone. So you stir this to combine at least for 10 minutes, stir until it blends together. Alright, so this is the outcome, very yummy and delicious. Thanks all my genuine subscribers, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not done so. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Stay safe, stay connected always, and see you in the next video. Bye for now. Yeah, bye.